It's me again. On a very ridiculously, actually, hot day. Excuse the background noise from my Frigidaire 2600 from the early 50s. It's the only thing that's allowing me to stay out here in this garage without sweating bullets. Anyways, I've got 2 air conditioners to film. I've had these for a while, but never filmed them. I'll just do them one at a time. So, first video is going to be on this kind of filthy WCI Frigidaire 5,950 BTU from, I think it's 2,000. Let me show you the data tag. There we go. You can see that's all the information on it. I got this 2-3 years ago from an estate sale. The side panels were trashed, so I tried to replace them. I'm gonna have to replace them, and I have an idea to do a better replacement this time. Just a bit of an idea. Because they're starting to... Well, I put it in the window, and the side panels pulled off. So, yeah, without further ado, on. This has a Matsushita reciprocating compressor. Oh, look. A jewel wasp. Cool. Don't see those very often. Anyways, this has a Matsushita rotary compressor, as you can hear, and a Macmillan fan motor. This thing had served me it served me for 2 years in my living room. And then it got replaced by a Midday 12,000 BTU inverter, because I needed the more capacity, but I couldn't afford a whole lot more power usage. It still runs good. Cools great. It does cool great, actually. It cools really nicely. Yes, it does. And the shininess across the top of the unit, that's caulk. To keep the water out. Bastard. I know I shouldn't curse, but I hate those things. Fobbed off the oily. Okay. Yeah, just listen to that Matsushita purr. I'm actually gonna go and turn this down a speed. If you don't own one of these Frigidaires, you probably don't know. But these have 5 speeds. And if I haven't made a video on that, I'll check after I'm done with the air conditioners. I will make a video on it. Because it's got an interesting story to it. It's a really good fan, too. I can still feel a breeze, and it's just barely running. So yeah, that's my 5,950 BTU WCI Frigidaire. Right, there's my 5,600 BTU WCI Kenmore. Almost the same unit. See you guys in the next one.